Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you our new recipes. Before we start, if you want the details how to make any recipe, check the description below. Let's start.
Recipe 1. Banana Pudding Pope Cake. A pope cake topped with banana pudding? That's about as celebration worthy as it gets. Make sure to enjoy every single banana-laden bite. Recipe 2. Peanut Butter Banana Icebox Pie. Elvis would definitely approve, and that's all we need to know. This cool, creamy chocolate drizzled dessert is sure to have you coming back for more. It combines a graham cracker crust, chocolate, peanut butter filling, and banana topping. Recipe 3. Banana Cake. The best ever banana cake should be well spiced and frosted with a heavy layer of cream cheese frosting. That's precisely the calling card of this insanely delicious sheet cake. The butter and sugar base upgrade this cake from a traditional banana cake recipe. Recipe 4. Mini Bananas Foster Sticky Buns. Saturday morning coffee pairs perfectly with these adorably miniature caramelized sticky buns. The sweetness instantly melts in your mouth, meaning you'll want more than one. Bananas just starting to show signs of ripeness, small brown dots, will create the sweetest sticky buns. Recipe 5. Banana Bread French Toast Casserole. Tell your usual brunch casserole to watch out because there's a new heavy hitter in town. Banana bread meets French toast in this fan-favorite breakfast bake. Make extra honey banana topping to enjoy on the side of your breakfast bake.